All right, so we got here, this is a Toyota key fob, and we're going to show you how to do a battery replacement here. So not too tough. There's a little black button here. You press that and pull out the actual key here. And what you do with the key is you're going to take it and put the key, you're going to take the key and put it in this little hole here to kind of pop it open. You're going to pop the cover open here, and you just kind of put it in and turn it, and the top pops right open there. And that shows the little key microchip here, and you take the battery, you flip it over, and you can take a flathead screwdriver, place it under that, and just it'll pop up and open. This takes I think it's a CR2032, yeah, a CR2032 battery. So you just take the new battery, pop it on in here, and what you're going to do is you're going to flip that over and make it match on the circle on the bottom black part here, the carrying case here, and just put this top part back on. This just clips back on, and you'll be good to go here. And then put the key back in, and that just goes on the side here, goes all the way back in.